guys, so another install video. So today we're going to show you, we've got a new product on. So it's the LCI2 style. These fit LCI and non-LCI with no coding, and as you can see, it's not like the older ones. It's got a proper connector and it's a proper seals unit. So we'll go on to show you how to fit them first. Okay, so there's a knack we're getting these off, and we have had a couple of people say that they've lost the clip down the back. So you're just basically going to press it against the clip, unhook it like that. So basically you're not pressing this clip down or using it as anything. You're literally pushing the clip up and hooking it in. And obviously everyone's doing it where they're pulling it that way, and if that catches on this, it's obviously pings inside the wing and they lose it, and then they blame us. So like I say, that is the correct way to do it. Just push the clip up and hook in. So obviously on that one, the old style one, it was basically using the old clip, try and get it out, so this seal here was sealing into there. So on the new one, it's the whole mechanism that's coming off. So you're going to unclip it there, just like that. Make sure it doesn't fall in your wing. Get the new one. Obviously there's keys there to plug them in, so it can only go in one way. So he's going to push that on, make sure it's clipped and locked. Now this is a different style, you see, it's got 3 clips on it. So on these ones, you literally just push in. Now I've not done this before, so just clean that while it's off. So you're basically going to get it lined up. You can see these like indents there and there where the clip's going to go, and obviously it's going to sit against there. So I presume we're just going to get them all lined up and click it in. There we go, just turn the indicators on just to test it. And there we go. You can buy these on our website, www.KillAllChrome.com. Keep liking, subscribing and sharing, etc. Thanks for watching.
Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell.